Budapest and beyond!
When artist Mihály Kolodko launched his tiny sculpture series in Budapest with his very first tiny statue, he did so with a sculpture of a little character that was very near and dear to his heart.
I watched the cartoon. It's called The Big Fisherman, like Ho-ho-ho Horgász. The little worm was always the troublemaker who was kind of making pranks on the fisherman.
The TV series Nagy Ho-ho-ho Horgász, or The Big Ho-ho Angler, centers around an oafish fisherman and his bait. The subject of the statue, however, is Főkukac, a piece of bait who has the distinction of being the fisherman's favorite worm. Somehow, every time the fisherman and Főkukac go fishing, they end up in some kind of crazy adventure. Today, Főkukac is no longer bait, but instead leads a much better life sitting on the banks of the Danube River. If you're a fisherman, you may want to stop by and rub Főkukac's nose for good luck. It couldn't hurt, right?